while I was here in the raised bed bit that I would give you an update on these apple tree rootstocks. Now, I took these rootstocks 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and basically these were leftover top growth from the apple trees that I grafted. And I don't waste them. I just cut them into foot-long lengths and put them in the ground. And as you can see, most of them have taken. Some of the thinner ones, like this one here, haven't. But that's a pretty good success rate. And each of these will grow into an MM106 rootstock, which I can next year graft another apple variety onto. Because despite having 15 apple trees already, you can never have enough apples. Seriously though, I will probably either sell them on or give them as gifts to friends when I've grafted a variety on them. But that's pretty good going for a couple of months. And underneath the ground, these will be forming small shoots, so they'll be left there until February, and then I'll dig them up and pot them on into individual pots. So there you go, apple tree rootstocks.